Hello everyone, I have good news for you. The SMART goal framework can help you achieve your goals more effectively and efficiently. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 guidelines will help you set goals that are clear, actionable, and realistic according to your abilities, resources, and time constraints. The specific set of criteria that are used to develop effective goals for individuals, teams, and organizations. In this video, I will provide you with an overview of the SMART goal framework, including its principles, benefits, and specific examples of how to use these guidelines to set goals for personal or professional success. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to set and achieve SMART goals with greater ease and confidence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to set SMART goals for personal or team success. Number 1. Specific. Successful goals are specific and clearly defined. Setting specific goals helps you avoid ambiguity and confusion. The clearer the goal, the easier it becomes to focus on achieving it. Therefore, your goals should answer the questions what, why, and how. Be sure to include any necessary details and be as specific as possible. As an example, I will increase my daily sales by 20% by implementing a new marketing campaign that targets my ideal customer. Number 2. Measurable. Goals must be measurable so that you can monitor your progress and adjust accordingly. Measuring your progress helps you determine how far you have come and how much more needs to be done to accomplish your goal. Measuring your goals can be accomplished using metrics or key performance indicators, KPI. As an example, I will measure my success by monitoring my daily sales and recording my progress on a spreadsheet. Number 3. Achievable. Goals should be achievable so that you can maintain motivation, build momentum, and achieve success. An achievable goal aligns your resources, strengths, skills, and capabilities with the expectations of the goal. Moreover, it is essential to set challenging goals that stretch you beyond your comfort zone. However, you must have the resources and support needed to achieve the goal. As an example, I will increase my daily sales by 20% within the next 4 months by hiring a marketing consultant and implementing a new working strategy. Number 4. Relevant. Goals should be relevant to your objectives, mission, and values. Relevant goals align with your purpose, mission, and aspirations. Moreover, relevant goals help you avoid distractions that may detour you from achieving your desired level of success. As an example, my goal of increasing my daily sales by 20% aligns with my long-term business objectives and mission statement and will help me reach my desired level of success. Number 5. Time-bound. Goals must have a timeline or deadline. Assigning a specific time frame for your goals creates a sense of urgency and motivates you to take action. Be realistic when setting deadlines, consider external factors, and avoid unrealistic deadlines that may lead to frustration and disappointment. As an example, I will increase my daily sales by 20% within the next 4 months by hiring a marketing consultant and implementing a new working strategy. I will review my progress weekly and adjust my strategy as needed to keep on track. In conclusion, SMART goals provide a practical and effective way to set and achieve goals. Following the principles of SMART goals can help you develop goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, accelerating your progress while keeping you motivated and focused. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of your support and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching.